Shakti, welcome to Telechakra.com.
Thank you.
Tell us about your journey in Jhalak so far.
So far, it has been really interesting. I entered as a wildcard contestant on this show, and I started with contemporary, did Lindy Hop, and did I don't know how many styles, and in between, my choreographer also got injured. So I've been through a lot, in these few months. I feel like it's been an year already. I don't know how time is flying, and it feels like I'm just here learning, and it's been a great journey, and it's still, I'm looking forward to winning it. That's it.
So what made you choose Jhalak? Dance or Madhuri? Since you're such a big fan of her.
Madhuri.
How was it meeting her for the first time on the sets?
The first time on the sets, actually, she remembered me from the time I met her before. I met her in a recording studio where my sister was recording, and she was there. So I was like, even I'm coming because if she's, around, I have to meet her. So I met her over there, and then she remembered me. I didn't even, I never thought that she would remember because, she's such a big celebrity. And then she was like, oh, I remember you. You came with your sister. I was like,
So tell us how you started dancing, your dance journey.
I've been dancing since, I think, I got lashes, nails. I've been dancing really throughout. So, dancing journey has been, I was more of a nautanki than a dancer actually. I always wanted to emote, and I always wanted to feel that, that whole filmy romance and filmy Bollywood tadka and all that. So whenever any song used to play, I used to do all the kind of nautanki and tik and all that. I never used to focus on steps and dancing properly. But it was my sister Shakti who was constantly, correcting me, telling me, no, this is like that, this is like that. And we have very less age difference. So I was more of a nautanki. She used to correct me all the time. So I never trained myself, but I learned a lot from her. So right now also in Jhalak, I get compliments like, you look trained, and then your flexibility is so nice, and your strength is contemporary. I've never taken training, but it looks like that because I have been brought up with a sister who's been constantly training herself, and looking at her, I keep learning things. So it has been an advantage. And of course, expressions and nautanki come into the thing, packaging.
You're always sometimes compared to Shakti. So
Yeah.
do you think that acts as an advantage or disadvantage to you?
No, it is definitely an advantage because she has trained so much in everything. She, literally, she grilled herself, and then she literally went through the training process for years when I was doing theatre. So since childhood, there have been comparisons and everything, but we have been like twin, that whole soul twin connection kind of thing, where she corrects me somewhere, I correct her somewhere, and then we both sort of end up doing a similar thing. Or has been comparison that I always love the fact that people compare it to her because she's a fantastic dancer.
You're also compared with Lauren since you both dance so well. So what do you think of her as a competitor?
Oh my god, as a competitor, I don't know, as she's really inspired me. Like, I've followed her international shows, but other than that, I think I feel good. That people say that, that it's especially Remo sir, when he said that you're at par with Lauren, and I was like, okay, that's a big compliment. And but I would take it as a, it's more of a from after that performance, after that compliment, I think I have to carry it forward. I have to even give better performances. I have to do better than that. So I'm constantly, pushing myself, telling myself to do different things, different styles, and bring Indian, to the dance floor, and bring like completely new different styles and concepts and stories. So that's what me and Shashank we keep working on throughout. And definitely there's a support from family. My family is like fantastic, man.
Which has been your favorite performance so far?
Favorite performance has been the contemporary Best Foot Forward that I did. I dedicated my performance to the flood victims. So that was the best performance till now, because I could feel so much on the stage, feeling like, you know, like how much these people go through when they go through a disaster. So beyond the feeling, the compliments that I got, and I'm glad that the judges and even the audience, they could connect with it. So that was the best performance.
Since you say you're Nautanki, we could actually have a replica of the judges. You could actually act. If you can mimic them.
Mimic them? Okay, Remo sir. It was nice. अच्छा हो सकता था. But everything went very well. I'm happy, Mukti, you're doing well. This is it. Like he actually surprised you. Okay, this is it. And Karan sir is very, expressive, and Madhuri ma'am is like fantastic. I love her. I try to copy her. Since childhood I've been trying to copy her smile, and it doesn't come because I don't have the smile. But I love her.
Okay, I have this rapid fire thing. If you had to give something to Karan Johar,
I really want to tell you. कुछ होता है तो नहीं समझो.
okay, if you had to impress Madhuri Dixit on one of her signature step, so which step would be that? Now, can you do it over here or what?
I think in the first episode everyone saw me mimicking all that. I lied down on the floor with the dupatta and did all that. So it's quite evident. I've been imitating her a lot.
Message for your fans.
I'm on the stage, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and I'm really working hard for you all. And I need all the support from you all. I want you guys to vote for me. I want you guys to watch my performances. Please leave your comments. And I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook. Contact me personally. You can tell me what to do or not to do. And I really want to connect with you all. Just please keep voting for me. Keep watching.